Look at this. It's an injured bird. He probably he probably ran into the glass a little too hard. Look at that. Enzo, get in there. These guys are your friends. Yeah, he doesn't even care if I like move him. Oh, this dude's really hurt. All right, Enzo, we'll go inside. We'll go inside. You don't care about the bird. Were you scared of the bird, dude? He's still there. Enzo, he's still there. He's still there. Oh, he turned. Enzo, what do you think? No? You're not interested? You got potty? Potty before we go in? Huh? Damn, it's hot out here, dude. We should go in. You need some ice. Such a good boy. Enzo. Such a good boy. Guys, Enzo is shedding like crazy. Look at this guy. Look at this. You go inside when I say we go inside, which is right now. You don't run there. You don't run there. And so you don't run inside. You don't ever run anywhere. Huh? As I will be purchasing a boosted board in the future so that Enzo can fully express himself. It is a much needed device for huskies. If you have a husky, get yourself a boosted board. Mine's coming in the mail soon. Enzo, we're here. You want to sit? You want to give me a sit before we go inside, dude? A sit. Enzo, you want to sit? Good sit, dude. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good sit. You like smelling flowers, buddy? Oh, you just want to eat it? You want to destroy it? Oh, that flower's dusted, dude. Come on. Come on. Enzo, come on. Come on. Made a mess with the flower. Oh. What's the business, dude? What are you sniffing out? What are you sniffing out, dude? Ants? Come on. Enzo, come on. Come on. Enzo, this way. Enzo, this way. Yes, good boy. Oh, you're in the street. Enzo, yes. On the sidewalk. Yes, good boy.